In this video, I will demonstrate how I convert a three-dimensional point cloud to a 3D mesh in MeshLab. So here's my MATLAB code. I imported the four text file for four sides of my target. Did a little bit of data cleaning. So I remove all the background noise, all the data point. And then after I did that, I concatenate each column of the four different file into a single array. That array contain all four sides of the x column and the y z column, and then I combine the length. I combine the three column into a single three column array. Then for each row of this array, I store the data element in that particular row into a text file called MeshTab result. So this MeshTab result contains all the data point. So most of that 0 because I clean out all the data that's not necessary, but there's some data point that shows the actual bin. And here is an image of my 3D point cloud. So I'm mapping the top beta pi bin. The front side looks pretty good. There's a couple data point that I was not able to remove in the middle, and there's some gap each on the left side. But overall, the side view turned out pretty good, and then the back view turned out decent. Okay, left side is okay-ish, and I was pretty happy with the scanning. Okay, so after I have the I was not able to reinstall MeshLab on my computer, so I performed the 3D mesh in the school computer. I was able to take a couple screenshots. So for my after I import the text file into MeshLab, I turn on the normal vector and did a neighborhood run of 1. So that actually was able to make all my point line horizontal, so they are pointing in the same direction, which is good. And then after that, I did the Poisson surface reconstruction using a reconstruction depth of 15. And then the number of symbol I use 5 because that happened to be the number that removed most of the noise, but it still does not remove a lot of data point, which that will make my point cloud less detailed. So 5 was a good number for me. So after did that, I'll cut out all these extra surface plane on around the corner. Then I was able to clean it up a little bit, and that looked like the shape of bin. So here's the side view, and here's the front view. We can see this is the concrete base, and here's the stem, and then the top of the bin, which is made of shining part. There are a couple holes there are a couple voids on the base, and you can see some right here, and that could be due to some of the data point line that's not perfectly point at the same direction, even though most of them are. So there's something we can work on reconstructing the mesh to make it a little bit better, and we'll play these numbers to make it a little bit more, right, to make it look a little bit prettier. And that's about it. Thank you.